How to control the graphic style of your doors and windows. Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for well over 30 years now. Today, I wanted to have a quick look at how do we control the graphic styles on our walls and windows. Now you just noticed I've just done a quick undo and I've just lost all of my graphic style or my heavy lines around my walls and my doors and windows. How did I do that? In creating my wall style, I chose to create a class called Wall Component Structure. And this is the structural part of my walls. If I edit that class, I can now change that to a slightly thicker line and it'll update all of the walls of that style. It'll update all walls that use that class as well. The next thing, I've got a door, and I'm using the door class, but the door cut through plane is actually controlling the sashes and the frames. Let's edit that. We'll change the line thickness. Okay, and you can see I've now got a thicker wall around my wall and a thicker line around the part of my window that's cut through. This part of the window, the sash below, is actually on a different class called Door Below Cut Plane. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this movie. This is the sort of thing that I will go through in my architect tutorial session, and I'll go through it in detail with all of the people on my community. Why don't you become part of my community and enjoy getting training directly from me online weekly? Take care.